Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a origami project. So if you have a square piece of paper, you can skip this part. But if you have a rectangular paper, first fold it diagonal like this, and then flip it over, and then fold it up like this so that one of the parts is a square. Oh, this is a tool I recommend using. If you have like a chair with this thing, I recommend like using this side, and then you can rip this bottom part off, or you can cut it. Oh, you can recycle this thing. What we're making our project with is this. And perfectly, if you start with the rectangle, then you've already done the first step. However, then the second step is to do the same fold, but on the other way. Now that you have something like this, the easier way is to do the easier way is to do this and this after you've done those steps. And now hold this like this. You know how you have this and then there's like this spot? Push them in to make this thing. And it stands like this. Now you can flatten it out so we can keep going. Then you put these two here and repeat on the other side. Now that you've done that, do this 4 times. Here, I'll show you it on all sides, just so you can see more clearly. Make it fold like this, and then first we do this. We find the pocket, we open it, and we put this thing inside the pocket or slot. Try putting it in as much as you can so that it doesn't pop out. See, here's it again. Or you can do like one side and then another side. Do these two. After these two, you can open 2 slots. And you put the things in both slots. Now that you've done this, you're almost done. Take this part. As you might have noticed, there's this little hole. Here's a close-up. This little hole. And then you blow air into it. Oh, and I think we should make it like this so that each has its own part. And See, this was the slot I was blowing air in. Oh, and sometimes if you don't, it doesn't end perfect, you can make it out like this. Yeah. This is how it looks like. Oh, and just so you know, look, if the slots pop out, like these two, you can do this and try getting all the air out. Might not end out perfect, but see, so if it ends like that, then do the steps over. Wait. It's always hard to go back a few steps. Oh wait, I actually had that step? Squash it all together. Squash it all together the other way. And now it's a triangle. Open the hole a little more. And after you finish blowing, that's how it looks. When I did this earlier, I thought it would end out as a ball, but now it actually looks more a pyramid-like. And so this is how it ends.
Mama,